Virtual greetings everyone. Today we are going to start a new topic, how we can convert fraction in lowest term. In previous video we have discussed about fraction and its types. What do you mean by a fraction? A fraction is a smallest part of whole. Fraction is a smallest part of whole. Suppose we have a circle. And we have divided circle into 4 parts. Total parts are 4. And when we have shaded one part of the circle, its shaded part is 1. So fraction of the shaded part will be equals to 1 by 4. 1 is a numerator and 4 is our denominator. किसी भी होल फिगर का जो एक पार्ट होता है, स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट होता है, हम उसे क्या बुलाते हैं? फ्रैक्शन बुलाते हैं. नाउ वी आर कमिंग ऑन द टॉपिक हाउ वी कैन रिड्यूस अ फ्रैक्शन into smallest or the lowest term. There is one rule, and with the help of this rule we can easily convert a fraction into lowest term. According to the rule, divide the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by their common factor. हमने क्या करना है? डिवाइड करना है न्यूमिनेटर को एंड डिनोमिनेटर को ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन बाय देयर कॉमन फैक्टर. सपोज वी हैव अ फ्रैक्शन 2/4. इट्स न्यूमिनेटर इज 2 एंड डिनोमिनेटर इज 4. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द कॉमन फैक्टर of 2 and 4. All factor of 2 are 1 and 2, and all factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. And the common factor of 2 and 4 is 2. So we will divide numerator and denominator by 2, and the lowest term of 2/4 will be equals to 1/2. Now coming on the exercise 23, reduce fraction to simplest form. There is a fraction 9/27. हमारे पास एक फ्रैक्शन गिवन है 9/27. In this fraction numerator is 9 and denominator is 27. Firstly we will find all factor of 9. 1, 3 and 9. All factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27. And the common factor is, highest common factor is 9. So we can divide 9/27 by 9 and we can get 1/3. So 1/3 is a simplest form of the given fraction 9/27. Similarly 42/48. 42 by 48. all factors of 42 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 42. All factors of 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, and 48. And last one is 24. And the common factor is 6. So we will divide 42 and 48 by 6. And we can get 7 by 8. So simplest form of 42 by 48 is 7 by 8. Same as like 35 and 63. All factors of 35 are 1, 5 and 7. All factors of 63 are 1, 3, 7, 21, 9. And the highest common factor is 7. So we will divide 35 and 63 by 7 and we can get 5 by 9. So, simplest form of 35 by 63 is 5 by 9. With the help of this rule, divide the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by their common factor till we are left with only the common factor 1. We can easily reduce the given fraction into simplest form. Thank you.